Benok? 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 Gitara ko. May meeting ako ngayon. Dahil hindi bagay ang cup link na isinuot ko, hindi na ako pumunta sa meeting. Hindi, masama pakaramdam ko. Sobra. Punasan mo. Tapos itono mo. May meeting sana ako ngayon. Pero dahil masama yung pakiramdam ko, I choose not to get out home. Parang namamaga yung mukha ko. Nagpa-facial ako kahapon. Parang naging mudya ako. Namamantal mo ka ako? Pisngi ko.
Medyo namumula-mula.
Namumula-mula. Hindi mahalata eh. Maitim ako eh. Hindi bagay yung cup-link na naisot ko. Lemor, halika rito. Diyan ka lang sa baba. Bitaw mo muna yan. Malinis na to. Shout out ko dyan.
Alright, shout out kay Ma'am Fe Tobilag Manyeha. Ferdy Heron Marcos is watching. Ma'am Caroline. Para kang akit ng Ligo BFF sa forma mo Ma'am Joy Ramirez, shout out. Jerry B. Soko, shout out. Joseph Peralta is watching.
A Song to Overcome. As I look at over my shoulder, all the stars are shining bright, just like tonight when I used to hold her. She is out there somewhere under the lover's moon. Lover's moon, one shine on you. Shoutout mga Tolimor.
Alright, shoutout kay...
May nagpa-star.
Ayoko taikat mo, sir. Alright, this program is brought to you by Ma'am Sue MP, 50 Superstar. Thank you so much, Ma'am Sue MP.
Dali nga.
Shout out kay Ma'am Judy Ann Bakel, Reggie Ibanez Eugenio, Judy Ann, Zenodine Senarim.
She's out,
Akin dyan si
she's out there somewhere under the lover moon. Lover's moon, one shine on me. I'm dancing with a memory. I wish I may, I wish I might have one last chance to hold her tight, and she's waiting. I know she's waiting. I know she waits for me under the lover's moon.
This program is brought to you by Ma'am Junya Kabiga, 35 Superstar. Thank you so much. And also brought to you by Ma'am Aurora Edwards from Australia, 100 Superstar. Thank you so much.
Libad-baran ako sa suot ko, Beno.
Shout out kay Ma'am Dory Membrano. Ayan. Shout out Ma'am Dory Membrano. Utol Herschel Lumibaw, Kevin Luistro.
Ay, sorry sa mga kamiting ko. Hindi na ako darating. Ito, panoorin niyo ako, nagla-live ako. Hindi na ako darating. Masama ho ang pakiramdam ko. I rather stay at home.
This program is also brought to you by Ma'am Ruchi Ragay from FFCI Italy. 100 Superstar. Thank you so much.
Ano yan? Ano yan? Sino yan?
Ma'am Secretary Ruchi Ragay.
Ito, Joy Ramirez. Yun ang ganda ng music. Tas may naglalambingan sa baba. Aba, sino ga naglalambingan dyan sa baba?
Kami ni Jancy. This program is also brought to you by Eugenio
Umuwi ka na.
Balong Asiret. Tama.
Umuwi ka na.
Super. Boss, basahin, boss. Basahin, boss.
Hindi, uwi ka na. Shout out. Oh, may nag-superstar to. Basahin mo.
Once
To.
again, this program is
Jen
brought
Deboch.
brought to you by Ninang Jan Deboch. Shout out, Sir Ading Francis, Baila Bonbon, Lemornac, Benedict, Sir President Kabsat,
Wala si Bonbon.
50 Superstar, and also brought to you by Ma'am Junya Kabigat, 100 Superstar. Thank you so much. Pogi ka po, boss, sabi ni Ma'am Joy Ramirez.
Baka na, titirahin ko yung leader of the band.
Sabi ni Ma'am Dory Membran, hello everyone, bossing.
Ano?
Sabi ni Ma'am Dory, hello everyone, bossing.
Dory. Okay. Oh, abangan. Ito na. Leader of the band to. Leader of the band ba yun?
Katabato yan, boss.
Ah?
Katabato.
Ako tabato ba?
This program is brought to you by Ninang Jan
Shoutout mo na lang yun.
Ninang Jan Democh, 100 Superstar. Thank you so much. And also, Ma'am Ruchi Ragay, 50 stars. Thank you so much.
Ako tabato pala yun. Okay na. Nakakala ko leader of the band eh.
Kala ko. Shout out, Chairman Dumdum. Huwag ka magtampo. Chairman Dumdum?
Charmaine.
Charmaine. Kala ko, Chairman.
Reggie Ibanez daw. Manso Manbosing. Ano? Manso Manbos. Leader of the band. Ayun na nga, tinagtog ko na nga eh. Pag draw gamit kong belt, mag dark brown shoes ka. Ay, kunin ang dark brown shoes. Dark brown shoes lang pala eh. Eh, hindi na nga ako tutuloy sa meeting. Di magchichinelas na lang ako. Ikaw talaga, Kat.
Yung beses na yan na Indian.
Oo. Oh, si Jindy Bones.
Yun lang, Jen.
Ayan.
Thank you so
Ikaw,
much.
Limor, magsha-shoutout ka lang. Nakakalimutan. Dito ka nga tumingin.
50 Superstar. This program again is brought to you by, again, Ma'am M. Sparkle. 10 Superstar. Thank you so much. Bakit mo pinapawitan na? This program again is brought to you again, Ninang Jen Divulge. 50 Superstar. Thank you so much.
Parang nahihirapan na ako mag-plucking, Beno.
Hindi na sanay, boss.
This program again is brought to you by Ma'am M's Sparkle from FFCI Olongapo. Super sticker. Thank you so much.
Just when you think you way back home.
And follow up by Secretary Ruchi Ragay, FFCI Italy. Super sticker. Thank you so much.
I find some time to be.
Ma'am Eleanor Iaton is watching. Thank you.
Natatawa naman ako sa Limor. Nawawala ako sa konsentrasyon.
Boss, binubulong ko na, boss, para hindi ka ma-interrupt eh. Once again,
Oh, ikaw na lang kumanta.
ako kakanta.
Sige, tama.
Yan. Ang mabanata natin, boss. In my dreams. Ang title niya, boss? Smoke.
Pasok.
Just when you make your way back home, I find some time to be alone. I go to see the place once more. Just like 1,000 times before. Ayoko na kumanta. Putang pumipiyok.
Naglag yung baga.
Anak ng tinapay na yan.
Ano? Ulit. Siya natin.
Babaan mo ng konti, boss.
Babasahan ko ng konti.
Masyado mataas.
Usad ka rito. Yan.
Bababaan natin ng konti.
Yan,
boss.
babaan natin konti.
Yan.
Babaan ko konti, ha?
Babaan mo, boss.
Ulit.
Yan.
Pasok.
It's when you make your way back home. Maalon, ha? Maalon. I find some time to be alone. Ang hirap talaga.
Scooby-Doo po.
Boss, wala ba ibang kanta, boss? Ang hirap naman itong kantan to.
Ulit. Once more. Bababaan ko lang. Okay.
Pababa ako.
Okay.
Okay, go.
Pasok.
Just when you make your way back home. Masyado lumababa.
Sige na.
I find some time to be alone. I go to see
The place once more. Banat!
just like
Ano yun?
boss, baka ipalo mo sa akin yung gitara na ikaw na lang. Uy, tawa kayo ng tawa dyan ah. Ayos ah.
Talagang yung kinakanta niya sa live call, yung duet niya ni boss.
Ito lang.
In my dreams nga.
In my dreams.
Ayos to mga to. Tawa na kayo nagtawanan dyan, ha?
Ayan na, tol.
In my dreams. Hindi, ito pa yun. Hindi ko alam yan.
Arrive at 7. The place be good. Back to the hotel again. Across 11, the Chinese food.
This program is brought to you by Mom Monica Hyson.
No time to call you.
10 star. Thank you so much.
Ano ba, Limor?
Yes, boss. Sinashoutout ko. Nagpalipad, boss.
Ikaw ang kakanta, inintrohan ko na nga eh.
Ako ba? Ano ba title nun, boss? Anong title nun?
Cotabato.
In my dreams tayo, boss. In my dreams.
Tol, ako, tol.
Tayo na, eh ka na naman. Taas di mo na naman kinakanta. Hindi na.
Ano ba title niyan? Arrive at 7.
Always somewhere.
Naku, putang ina. Ang taas nito. Alright. Ready. This program is brought to you by Ma'am Dory Membrano from Australia. Superstar. Thank you so much.
Tol, meron na mag-shoutout, tol. Kanta mo na.
Ninang Jen. Thank you.
Pasok.
Arrive at 7. The place feels good. No time to call you today.
Baba ka.
And cars till 11. The Chinese food.
Tumataas ka.
Back to the hotel again. I called your number, the line ain't free. I like to tell you to come.
Come to me. Ganon.
Okay.
Mag-shoutout ka na lang, Limor. Di ka bagay kumanta.
Pakibasa yung request ko. Sabi ni Ma'am Dory, nako, may request. This program is brought to you by Alran Tamyo Suyong. Superstar. Thank you so much. 10 superstar. Thank you so much. Meron daw request si Ma'am Dory. Ninang Jen Devoch, again, thank you so much for your superstar. Thank you so much, Ninang Jen. And also, when the smoke is going down daw, sabi ni Ma'am Dory sa kanyang request, Superstar 50, Superstar. Thank you so much, Ma'am Dory Membrano. When the smoke is going down. Hirap ah. Mama Nakabilos Mix Vlog, shout out. Sabi ng John CG, kaya nga pre.
Idol, ikaw na lang kumanta.
This program again is brought to you again by Ninang Jen Devoge, 100 Superstar. Thank you so much, Ninang Jen. Parang ayaw nyo sa akin. Pag kumanta ako, Ma'am Esterileta Francisco, ayaw nyo po. Mataas kasi yung mga kinakanta ni boss, hindi ko kaya. Wow, naalala ko nung magkakasama tayo sa bahay nyo, sir, sa Pampanga. Nag-video okay tayo, galing mo kumanta. Ma'am Geraldine Fuentes. Ma'am Gracia Odlacap Olivina is watching. Love of My Life, Hotel California.
Tol, sabi, yung English daw ng Cotabato.
Ha? Cote Bates. President Honey Asia, shout out. Georgia Ramirez yung English ng... Ay, nabasa ko na pala. Ma'am Marife Bueno, shout out. Jetsuki Rondina. Sir, kasayahan lang ho yan. At kung seryoso ka sa kanta, gawin mo na lang yung magsalita ka ng bang... Oh, basher ba to? Kasi iba ang kasayahan. Ian Martinez, ma-request naman po Skyline Pigeon. Shit. Subling-subling nga.
May comment niya ako kay Jancy.
Ah,
Sabi ko sa kanya, akyat ka, kanta siya ng hawak kamay.
Rick Hard. Shout out dito sa Spain. Barko namin ngayon. Wow. Shout out sa inyo dyan, Rick Hard. Teresa Pelobello, hello idol. Ayan. Ma'am Au Edwards. Ayan, tawan-tawa si Ma'am Au Edwards. Mueng M. Francia. Tawa ng tawa. President Han Asia. Ilocano Meet Abos FLM Tikan Kantain. John Robert Tigbao, patulong po. Ayan. Mamaya po kayo humingi ng tulong, sir, sa FLM Comeback channel sa YouTube po. Oo. Carol Comiso is watching. Shout out. Ma'am Arlene Esprelita Q's. Sir, pa-shout out po watching from Singapore. Gracia Odlakap Olivina, good afternoon po sa FLM. Ayan. Julieta Ginuo is watching you. Tondo, Manila. Shout out po sa inyo dyan. Walang kamatayang hawak kamay bro, sabi ng Jancy, ng aking Jancy G. Ang galing. Hoy, Herschel, wag kang ano dyan ha. Anong magaling? Puro sablay nga ang kanta ko eh. Wag na, tama na. Si boss nakakanta. Ma'am Monica Hyson, shout out from Cagayan de Oro City. Agnes Dalida, shout out from Olongapo City, idol. Romano Tandang, shout out San Pedro Laguna. Ma'am Joy Ramirez, okra yan kinakanta ni Ma'am Jancy. Yung okra na lang. Bikining itim daw, request ni Ma'am Dory. Ha? Mas maganda yung okra, kantay ni Jancy. Ano may okra? Ma'am Dina B. Kabuhat, shout out naman po dyan watching from Jeddah. Gio Forin, boss, pa-shout out po from Mindanao. Romano Tandang, shout out from San Pedro, Laguna. Si Sir Alvin Chio, boss, nanonood. Ayan, Sir Alvin Chio.
Oy, Alvin, shout out.
Ma'am Merly Lambohon, ang saya nga, patuloy po, hello po, idol. Rick Hard, idol, FLM request, kapitan namin, always somewhere. Tayo dyan. Ang taas po niyan, Sir Rick Hard. Pakisabi sa kapitan nyo, oo. Sobrang mataas yan, pero kaya-kaya ni boss yan, siyempre. Huwag ka mag-text bossing, kanta ka na, sabi ni Ma'am Dory Membrano. Ma'am Ara Molina, boss, idol, pa-shoutout po from Imus Cavite watching here. Buloy Lianes, idol, FLM, mabuhay ka, boss. Viares Mary Beth. Ayan, Makoy Sukayang Gibara, hello po Sir FLM. Romano Tandang, idol, sana makapasyal kayo dito sa San Pedro, Laguna. Sabi ni Sir Alvin Chio, boss, iwalay na si Bea Alonso. Pwede.
Ano daw?
Iwalay na daw si Bea Alonso, boss. Pwede raw.
Sino may sabi?
Sir Alvin Chio.
Bagong bago yun
Alvin ha, chismoso ka ha. Bakit? Irereto mo sa akin si Bea Alonso? Wag na, may palangga na ako. May palangga na ako. Alam mo, I'm not looking about the quality of in the woman's beauty. I am looking for the kindness of a woman. A woman that can stand at the edge of the world. A woman that can stand through the midst of my controversy. That's it.
Hindi na sumagot si Sir Alvin ha. Sir Alvin. Ayan. Shout out. Sabi ni, wala na rin para si Daniel Padilla at si Catherine Bernardo ba? Bago ah. Yan siya. Watching from Japan, Naomi Benson, Chester Diaz, sana, ayan, alright. Avaro Joseph, idol from Silang Cavite. Inggit-pikit na lang kayo mga basyo, sabi ni President Han Asia. Dennis Abloyan Mense, pa-shout out, boss, FLM dito sa Nueva Vizcaya, pa-request on this day. Thank you, bossing. Ma'am Rose Alviar, hello, idol, watching from Houston. Rodalyn Atienza, Panganiban, Centeno. Shout out po sa inyo dyan. Geraldine Fuentes, shout out from Ancheta family. Christy Mendoza, wow, so deep yun, Nino. Sabi ni Ma'am Crystal Mendoza. I Chicken Pili Japan. Mabuhay ka, sir. Makoy Sukayang Gibara, very well said, sir. Utol Benedict, kanta ka na, Utol Benedict. Wag ako. Ma'am Joy Ramirez, Honey Asia pa ulit-ulit nga, ma'am. Eps lang talaga. Ma'am Ara Molina is watching. Shout out. Carlos Paalisbo, hello sir, pa-shoutout na lang po. Emmy Carada, Sir FLM, afternoon pa-shoutout po ng Alaminos Laguna, thank you. Love of my life, shoutout. Edmond TV, Mixed Vlogs, good afternoon po. Lodi Marcos watching from Laguna. Merly Vergara, hello po Idol FLM, ako po yung lubos na natutuwa na kapag nakikita ko kayo kasi kitang-kita ko ang pagiging napakabait at matulungin. Talaga, sana po huwag kayong magsawa at sana po at lagi kayong nanggabayan ng ating Panginoon at palakasin at huwag magkasakit na ako po'y hanga sa inyo talaga. Idol, ingat ka po palagi, sabi naman Merly Vergara. Ma'am Dory Membrano, parang Mother Teresa yon, bossing. Sabi naman Lynn Salmo, shout out Idol from Maria Aurora. Rick Hard, Idol Arbor ng singsing mo, haha. Makoy Sukay Seng Guevara, kapag nakahanap na ng babaeng para sa Sir FLM, wag nang pakawalan, sabi ni Makoy. Marilo Bostalino, good PM po Sir Francis, God bless. Kim Brian Figueroa, pa-shoutout din po. Geoffrey Junior Dizon High, Idol. Gio 49. Carlos Paalisbo, ayan, again, shoutout. Shoutout kay Osio Boy Jonathan Cain, sabi ng aking Jancy G. Roel Carolino, shoutout po from Santa Maria Laguna. Andrea Fernandez Lagrosa, pa-shoutout po Sir Francis. Rodel Mangulubnan, Boss Leo, shoutout po watching from Saudi. Mark Anthony Tan, Idol, pa-shoutout. Teresa, from God bless you always, Idol. Jessie Marahas, Idol, good PM po sir, baka naman po, ayan, mamaya po kayo mag-comment ng ganyan. Honey Asia, President, yan sinasabi mo mga wala kinalaman si Boss FLM, gets mo. Pati ko nakikita yung basher kayo, nakikita nyo. Kaya J. Ibanez, Sueño, pa-shoutout mga walang sahod ng 3 buwan dito sa Saudi, hehe. Soraida, Naraha, Lorenzo, hello Idol FLM. Ma'am Ami Dupagan, shoutout FFCA family. Jassy Marajes, sana marami pa kayong matulungan sir. Ninang Jen, Kabsatan Asia, binabate. Larry Villegas, pa-shoutout naman dyan sir Makoy. Ma'am Billy Malana, shoutout. Soraida, Naraha, Lorenzo, shoutout naman and Beno. Kairos Jola, tanong ko lang po, ayaw niyo po ba magpolitika kahit mayor muna? Ayaw po ni boss. Rodeline, Atienza, Panganiban, Centeno, Sir FLM, keep up the good work. Tulong-tulong lang sa nangangailangan. Always be humble. Alright, Ma'am Charlita Morilla, pa-shoutout po. Shoutout po sa inyo dyan. Uy, si Otto Lester Chavez is watching. Otto Lester Chavez. Alright, shoutout sa inyo dyan. Anong pangalan ng hardware nila, Lester? Kaipo. May mga taga-Kaipo dyan, shoutout sa inyo dyan. Kaipo Hardware, ayan. Lawrence Lugto, Idol, request po ako ng leader of the band. This program is brought to you by Kent Edward Rubite. For 10 star, thank you so much sa inyong superstar. El Destiero is watching, shout out. Ma'am Conchita Bernardo, hello po. Nordens Habibe, Idol, panotis naman. Ma'am Pinky Villanueva Uyanagi is watching, thank you so much. This program again is brought to you by Ma'am Maria Estelia Santiago. 10 star, thank you so much po sa inyo, Ma'am Estela. Akyat ka kaya, Ma'am Dory Membrano, at ikaw po ang kumanta para sa kanila, sabi ni President Honey Asia. Renante Toldo Almeron, shout out Almeron and Dolgime, family idol. Nani Nasyon, God bless you more, watching from Buhi, Camarines-Sur. Rino Adame, pa shout out idol, Bruno South Mall. Uy, Rino Adame from Bruno South Mall, boss. Ayan, shout out sa inyo dyan. Geraldine Lanusa, good noon, Idol. Mark J. Nanday, pa-shoutout po, Sir Idol, from Patnanungan. Ma'am Dory Clemente Jimenez, watching Cabuyao City. Sir Francis Leo Marcos, matagalan ako nakasubaybay sa iyo, sa iyong vlog, God bless. Ariso Pirifin, believe talaga ako, Sir Idol. Sa pogi mong yan, bagay talaga sa iyo yung mention mong dream girl, yung nakakaagapay mo sa lahat ng mission mo, praying for you. Jobs Sunbricks. Shoutout Idol, Apel Host Limor watching from Maguindanao. Shoutout po sa inyo dyan. Alright. Ma'am Hazel Torrefiel from Cebu is watching. Ayan, shoutout po sa inyo dyan, Ma'am Hazel Torrefiel. Kuya Titik Ikade, hello po, sabi ng aking Jancy G. Ayan. Ma'am Joy Ramirez, mention Jonathan Cain. Shoutout Utol Jonathan Cain. Ma'am Angging Pakong Tagaylo. Lamar, kanta ka si Airplane mo magigitara sa'yo. Naku, sablay na po. Kumanta na po kanina sablay. Oo. Shout out din kay Ma'am Renea Johnson. Ayan, shout out po sa inyo, Ma'am Renea Johnson. Ma'am Wim Villacruzes is watching. Shout out po sa inyo, Ma'am Ate Wilma Villacruzes. May Bautista, Doc, paki naman ikaw na ang sponsor ng anak ko ng college po. Salamat. I-comment nyo po yan, Ma'am May Bautista, doon po sa FLM Comeback channel sa YouTube. Lahat po ng humingi ng tulong dyan, doon po ay mag-comment sa FLM Comeback YouTube channel. Yung video po natin gagabi, isulat nyo po yung inyong pangalan doon, yung address, at kung ano po ang inyong hinihinging tulong. Para mamaya mababasa yan ni Boss. Alright? Jeffrey Tura Gadia is watching. Thank you so much. Hazel Malazarte Fernandez. Hi, Sir Idol. Ayun. Utol Lester. Yun. Thanks, Utol. Ayan. Salamat, Utol Lester Chavez. Ma'am Soraida Naraha Lorenzo. Shout out si Renea Johnson. Ma'am Hazel Torrefel. Shout out, Sir FLM. And this program is brought to you by Utol Lester Dick Chavez for Superstar. Thank you so much, Utol Lester. Ayan, nagbabarangay Superstar si Utol Lester. Sunod-sunod ang mga stars ni Utol Lester Dick Chavez. Thank you so much, Tol. At shout out din kay Ma'am Ems Pascual. This program again is also brought to you by Ma'am Ems Pascual from Hong Kong. Hi po, Sir Doc Francis and more. Thank you so much, Ma'am Ems Pascual, sa inyong Superstar. Thank you so much. Ganun din kay Ma'am Ami Akigbe. Alright, for your Superstar, thank you so much. Again, Utol Lester Di Chavez for Superstar. Thank you so much. And Mami Lorna Lichadores Rutherford is watching. Thank you so much, Mami Lorna Rutherford. Ayan. Binabati rin natin si Nudes Tubay at si Utol Jonathan Cain. Ayan, shout out Utol Jonathan Cain from Team Lemsi. Thank you so much. Larry Villegas, shout out. Good PM sa inyong lahat dyan. Sir Idol Makoy, ayan, shout out po. Nordens Habibi, shout out Idol FLM. Ma'am Connie Valiente is watching. Thank you so much. Ma'am Joy Lemar Creation, pasigaw ng buong Toralba Banga Aklan. Salamat po. Yung mga buong Toralba daw, buong Toralba Clan, dyan sa Banga Aklan. Binabati po kayo ni Ma'am Joy Ramirez. Alright. Jeffrey Tura Gadia, good PM Idol from Cavite General Trias, President na ni Asian, Otify, ayan. Sweet Away Pest Control. Alright, shout out sa inyo dyan. Robilin Monterrubio Romero, God bless. Richard Orsua, shout out. Mami Rene Johnson, shout out. Zoraida Naraha Lorenzo, ayan. Clarence Kendall Diasi, shout out boss from Camarines Sur. Ate Wilma Villaculosa, shout out again. Ma'am Ana Dumlao Valerio. Ma'am Ana Dumlao Valerio from London. Mega love shout out po, sir. Favorite kong panoorin noong lockdown, watching from London. Ayan. John Rick Pasqua, Idol pa shout out. Ma'am Maria Carmelita Bacani Algur is watching. Ayan. El Deschero, Idol, baka pwedeng, alright, mamaya nyo po i-comment yan. President na ni Asia, shout out FFCA Hong Kong chapter. Evelyn Spirito, shout out po from Sabah, Malaysia. Shout out sa inyo dyan. Archie Alejo, shout out. Leo Miranda, Idol, God bless sa'yo. Sana tumagal ka pa. Sana mabuhay para marami ka pang matulungan. Ma'am Pinky Villanueva, Oyanagi. Shout
Hindi ko
out.
kabisado yung lyrics eh. Pero, sige. Let's try.
Bert Vlog is watching. Shout out Bert Vlog. Alright.
Oy, Bert Vlog. Marami kang kinancel ko yung meeting ko. Okay, sandali nga. May hahanapin lang ako. Nagre-request yung inaanak ko.
Aba. This program
Be my lady daw, be my lady. Anak ng tinapay. Well, hindi ko kabisado tipa nun eh. But I try here. I try the best that I could be.
Thank you so much, Mami M, sa yung Superstar. Thank you so much.
Okay. Try natin to.
Thank you so much, Kuya Gani Rosales, for your Superstar. Kuya Gani Rosales. Ma'am Ani Akidbe.
You are golden to me.
Mami Maria Wright is watching. Thank you so much, Mami Maria Wright.
Maria Rulen Wright. Okay, may inaanak. This is for you. ka. May malat pa ako yan.
That song is brought to you by Maring Rosalina Lemmy, Superstar, and also brought to you by Mami Lorna T. Rutherford from FFCI UK, Stan Superstar. Thank you so much. And another one, this program again is also brought to you by... Nawala yung isa. Nawala yung isang palipad, boss. Another palipad brought to you by... nawala. Ayan. Mami Lorna T. Rutherford again. Alright, thank you so much po. Ayun. This program again is brought to you by, again, Ninang Jen DeVoge and Ma'am Au Edwards from Australia. Superstar. Thank you so much. Alright. Kuya Ferdinand Baardi, ayan, shoutout sa inyo dyan, Kuya Ferdinand Baardi. Elmer Ereval, ayan, shoutout. Artikulo Nos 77, ayan, shoutout. Sweep Away Pest Control, shoutout sa inyo dyan. Ma'am Connie Mitra, shoutout. Albert Abarquez, shoutout. Juser Salvacion, shoutout. This program again is also brought to you by Mami Flora Kalangi, FFCI Rome Super 100 Superstar. Thank you so much, Mami Flora. And also brought to you by, again, Kuya Gani Rosales from FFCI Batangas Superstar. Thank you so much. Shout out din kay Ma'am Meridel Manuel de la Cruz Razalan. Galing ni Idol, sabi ni Ma'am Meridel Manuel. Ayan. Ma'am Germaline Calyado, shout out again. Ben Andrade Epa, shout out Boss Idol. Nancy Pialago Oligario Sumalin. Hello Idol FLM, gandang hapon watching from Kamiling Tarlac. Ayan, binabati rin natin si Ma'am Shaira Jumade Cupino is watching. Thank you so much. Kebs Mangsat, shout out. Junita Amper Tibor, ayan, shout out. Torwena Sevillano, shout out. Kebs Irene Fajardo, I love you sir, from Japan. Ma'am Irene Fajardo, shout out po sa inyo. Sir Joel Abarquez, ayan, hello Lods, Jan Sigaro, sabi ni Sir Joel Abarquez, shout out. Lester P. Edok, shout out. Ma'am Jingjing Toledo Marcos Reyes is watching. Elsie Villasi, shout out. Mark Pascual, shout out sa inyo dyan. This program again is brought to you by Mark Martinez, 10 star, thank you so much. And Sir Joel Abarquez, 50 star, thank you so much sa yung superstar, thank you so much. Alright. Axel Idol, shout out. Ma'am Jingjing Marcos, shoutout sa lahat. Ma'am Marites Agsaway, good PM Idol watching from Mangalden, Pangasinan. Ma'am Marlene Fortes Evila, gandang hapon Idol. RC Zamora, hello Lods. 42, shoutout Davao Idol, ayan. Rio Kia, shoutout Idol, FLM supporter mula umpisa ng pandemic. Leonita Amport Tibor, thank you na rin sir. Narinig ko na rin pangalan ko, hehe, ayan. RC Zamora, good evening. Ma'am Albi de Matulak is watching. Thank you so much, Ma'am Albi de Matulak. Ma'am Maya Morfe from FFCI Macau, Alitia. Shout out, sir. Good afternoon. Richard Orsua, kuwang-kuwa yung boses Idol FLM. Pa-request po ako ng beautiful girl. Ayan, G. Ortiz Marcos.
Ano ako, singer? Philanthropist ako, hindi ako singer, no? Umayos kayo.
G. Ortiz Marcos, good afternoon, sir. Shout out. Ronnie Tulyao, gandang hapon sa mga Ilocanong naging Bicolano, Camarines Norte Chapter. Jenny Morales, hello, Idol FLM, magandang hapon sa iyo. Ma'am Margie Kaoki is watching. Maricel Paran Taglukop, watching from Bukidnon, Mindanao. Amineli Maureen, good afternoon, Sir FLM and host Limor. Have a blessed day at sa comment section. Florencio Cabarios Abella, have a nice day, Boss Idol FLM at Limor. Mabuhay po kayo from Cabuyao, Laguna. Ma'am Albi de Matulak, good afternoon, Boss FLM. This program again is brought to you by Ma'am Jingjing Marcos Reyes. Boss, para sa iyo ito, love you kahit may sakit ako, get well soon to me. Sabi ni Ma'am Jingjing Marcos sa kanyang 50 superstar. Thank you so much, Ma'am Jingjing Marcos. Ma'am Belenes Liboon, good PM, Sir Idol Francis Leo Marcos, shout out FFCI Bacolod City, Negros Occidental. Jerome Agaran, pa shout out Idol taga Nueva Vizcaya. Kamendan Jr. pa shout out FLM watching from Cotabato. Elmer Eribal, Idol Never Thought naman by Dan Hill from Sorsogon. Pebrero 22-22, watching from Lopez, Quezon. Artud de Vera, pa shout out po Idol at pabati sa kasama ko sa work, Louie Aldana sa kanyang kaarawan po. Thank you Idol. Ma'am Cecilia Balido, hello sir, watching from Northern Samar. Maridel Putian Kandul, hello po sir, idol, hero ng pandemic from Antipolo. Ma'am Albi Di Matulak, Sherdan. Berna Vicente, pa-shoutout idol, watching from Milan, Italy. Jad Di Mari from Isabela Agbiag, Ilocano, idol. Jenny Morales, watching from General Santos City. Binabati ni Ma'am Jingjing si Mami Nelly Maureen. Ma'am M. Sparkle, anak naman, shoutout mo ang ating Secretary Secretary Aliling Mali. Love you, sabi ni Mami M. Sparkle. Alright, Mami Nelly Maureen, FLMSI, worldwide shoutout. Ninang Jen, binabati si Ma'am Jingjing Marcos Reyes. At si Ma'am Jingjing binabati si Mami Ems. Ma'am Cristina De Fernandez is watching. Hello po sa inyo dyan, mga naka-kanji na hindi po mabasa yung pangalan nyo po. Ayan, shoutout po sa inyo dyan sa Japan. Manang ko, Jen Devol, sabi ni Ma'am Jingjing. Samli Gardi Manalo. Sir, ayan, humingi po ng tulong. Zoraida Raja Lorenzo, shout out. Sabi ni Mami Ems, Sparkle. Uulitin ko, big shout out sa mga taga-Olonga po chapter. Hello to all, sabi ni Mami Ems, Sparkle. Alright. Alexander Anir o Anir. Hello, idol. Salamat po. Sana makarating naman po kayo sa amin. Ma'am Lynn Salmo ng Singapore, FFC Singapore, shout out. Ma'am Teresa Serafica. Pa-shout out po Serafica family and Terales family, especially Teen, Justin, Carl, Ken, and Sak. This program again is brought to you by Ma'am Teresa Serafica, 25 Superstar. Thank you so much po sa inyo. Alright, binabati rin natin sa comment section si Ma'am Anita Valdez. Good morning, Dr. Francis. Ma'am Belen Kadangan, Sagban from Singapore. Shoutout po sa inyo. And this program again is brought to you by GV Valence from Hawaii, USA. Thank you so much sa inyo pong 10 star. Alright. Thank you so much. Hernani Regato, shout out. Ma'am Lenny Maliete, Valenzuela. Thank you so much. Shout out po sa inyo. Kuya Gabriel Bigsano, shout out. Alright. Shout out din kay Ma'am Jenny May Alconte. Wow, sabi niya. Ma'am Barbie. Idol, shout out naman. Malapit na po ang birthday ko. Sabi ni Ma'am Barbie. Shout out po sa inyo and advance happy birthday, Ma'am Barbie. Al Sauri, gandang hapon, idol. Alright. Neris Consolacion, shout out, idol, from Ordanita, Pangasinan. Arjan Lapasaran, Digos po. Hernani Regato, hello, idol. Ayan, Ma'am Ems, Jingjing Toledo Marcos, shout out. Ma'am Lina Salmo, binabati si Ma'am Cristina Rodriguez at si Ma'am Jingjing Marcos. Ma'am Belen Kadangan, shout out.
Fair ba yun? O hindi? I don't know, naguguluhan din ako.
Shout out kay Ma'am Annalisa Caluberan. Ayan. Ma'am Roderick Atienza Panganiban Centeno, shout out. Narinig ako. Gamay ako. Alright, shout out din kay Florida.
Anyway,
Roberta.
thank you sa mga star for all season. Thank you sa inyong lahat. Alright? Mahal na mahal ko po kayo. Maraming salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa amin. Anyway, totoo lang, may meeting ako, hindi ko na tinuloy. Hindi ko na tinuloy. Mabuhay po kayo, mahal ko po kayo. At patuloy ko pa pong gagawin lahat ng mga bagay na karapat dapat, hindi lamang sa mata ng tao, kundi sa mata ng Diyos. Maraming salamat po.